Hello, and in this video, we are going to learn how to copy only values in Excel. And this may sound very simple, but so many of us struggle with it because it never works the way we want it. So you can see here that I have a very simple list of sales data, and what I really want to do is to copy all the value from the subtotal column and paste it somewhere else in the sheet. Now, usually what we do is that we could select the value that we want to copy paste. Now Control C to copy, and then go here and Control V to paste, and look what happens. Instead of returning us with 30, 28, 15, it is returning us with 0, 0, 0. Now, why is that happening? This is because in Excel there are two types of numbers. One is data, so 10, 7, 15, 5, these are static data. These are the type of data that we enter into Excel. And then the second type of data is calculation. So for example, subtotal is a calculation of unit price multiplied by quantity. These are the calculations that we make based on the data that we input into Excel. So whenever we copy paste values which are calculations, look what happens. Because C3 is a formula A3 multiplied by B3, so when we copy paste it somewhere else in the document, it will not return us with A3 multiplied by B3, it will return us with E3 multiplied by F3. So the formula kind of moves. This is a dynamic formula. So that is, we are only interested in copy paste 30, 28, 15, and we're not interested in copy pasting the formula. Now here's what we can do. Control C to copy. Alright, Control V to paste. Now again, it is returning us with a set of 0. But don't worry, just click on the drop down arrow next to the Control Paste option. Alright, and then select this option, Paste Values Only. And here you go. It is returning us with exactly what we want. 30, 28, 15, 20, 120. And that's it. We have the best of both worlds without any messy formula. So I hope you found this video useful. That's it for now. Happy learning and see you in the next video.